Howdy do. I just want to cover things from the Americana essays this week real quickly. First, the citations. This is the first time in recorded history that an entire class all formatted the work cited correctly. I am so impressed and excited about that. And one of the things to remember is that when you visit a website and consider that source for your essay, try to find sources with articles that are written by people rather than just site contributors. You can have a few of those, but if your whole essay relies on those database websites, it really doesn't strengthen your essay. Second thing, essay formatting. Everybody used Times New Roman. Everybody double-spaced their essays. Everybody wrote distinct paragraphs. Isn't that fantastic? I'm absolutely thrilled. The persuasive techniques you used, I want to pause on for just 1 second. First, your title needs to be compelling. Remember, in a persuasive essay, you are addressing readers from various walks of life. In this particular case, you were going to persuade somebody to want to go to this little town that you were a proponent of. The reader could be going to New York City or Los Angeles, but instead you want them to go to the little town that you find charming and delightful. So your title needed to be compelling and clever. Your title image needed to be compelling and clever. And the featured images within the essay and the information about the charming features of the town needed to be pristine, using words that would persuade somebody. So I want to show you one visual thing real quickly. I'm going to go on a little trip and I'm trying to decide where to go. And I open up my page and I'm just going to scroll through and see what catches my eye. And if something catches my eye, that's what I'm going to click on. So as I scroll through here, what little towns with a title image like this are you going to think, gosh, I'd really like to go there? Is it a town that's a picture of a street? Does that appeal to you? This looks like people sitting in the street. That looks like another street. I'm not as persuaded by a street as I am by architecture. This kind of building is kind of cute, but look at this. Look at that red color, the blue in the background. Red always says stop and look here. Those of you that included an image that had just a splash of red, that is really compelling. Some of you used pastel. Now, who in the world wants to go to this picture? I just scroll right past it. Same with this one. None of these look particularly fabulous to me. So that's what I wanted you to think when you were writing your essay. You pick an image that says to the reader, come and visit here. The next thing has to do with your images and information in the essay. Let me show you one more demonstration, then I'll be through with this little video. I think I want to go to a little town that has a really cute festival. In your essay, you wanted to include one or more images that show a festival that points to the charm of this town. Let's scroll through here and see what catches your attention that says, I have to go and see this little festival. That one's cute. It's outdoors, a little cloudy. It looks like it's going to rain on this little parade. Let's see what catches your eye as you go through. That's right, our eye is drawn to this red float because the eye attracts to red. This picture looks fantastic. A little splash of red to draw my interest in, to say, stop, look at this picture. And look right there. There's another splash of red right there in the picture. So my eye is drawn to this festival. It's not particularly glamorous. The people aren't particularly glamorous. They look nice. It doesn't look like a huge crowd. But this figure, the dancing figure, is appealing. Coming down here, this looks like it could be across the street from where I live, so I don't see anything particularly unique about that. So as you chose pictures of interesting festivals that you wanted to promote for your little town, You wanted to look for pictures that draw this is cute. I really want, that makes the reader want to think more. You guys are so good at the internet. Look at this. Why in the world would anybody go there? It's a picture of a street. So these are the things I want you to think about as you move on to the next assignments. By the way, coming up is, let me just show you this assignment real quick. The next assignment, the Heroes of Acting, which is a discussion board, but it's graded, is a post in the discussion board. In the instructions that I show you here, the content of that post exists with two images, the title image and a behind the scenes image. You'll notice when you see the video of my demonstration that the little post acts like a post. It's not like a paragraph. It's not indented content, and I don't require that it's double spaced. I do require Times New Roman 12 font, but because it's a post and the main focus of it is your feelings about two images, then that will be fine for this assignment. Look forward to seeing that. I can't wait. That's it for this week.